Hello, this is Mariam from Team Iraq, from Basra, the only seaport city in Iraq. And everyone in Iraq loves seafood, and especially shrimp. And right now I'm gonna show you what we are cooking.
First, we bought fresh white shrimp from the Basra market. And this is the Iraqi white shrimp and his size and his color, as you can see. Right now, we need to remove his head because it has a lot of bad smells materials. And boil it with hot water. And this is the rocket stove that we designed it and made it in the science camp. Look how powerful is the fire in it. And boil it with hot water until it turns orange, as you can see. And we have to remove the water, as you can see, and now we have to peel the scales, legs and tail and put it aside. And peel the garlic and smash it. Now we have to cut the lemon. And we heated up the bowl and put the natural olive oil and fried the smashed garlic and the shrimp, as you can see. And put some salt, black pepper and the fresh thyme and keep moving it, as you can see. And here we go. It's done. And cheers! It was delicious. Sorry we can't leave anything in the bowl. Bye.